You want some real lobster?
Yeah, you see the blue leaf lobster?
You ready for the lobster, Ariel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait for me.
This Harris.
Huh?
Let me tell you what the store is to get lobster. This is Harris
I
Teeter.
don't think that. Yeah, it is Harris Teeter. Let's go.
One of these or one of these?
Dungeness crabs. Dungeon
They have one.
crabs and then.
They have these and these. I want a big lobster and one of these. One of these.
Okay. Ariel, what are you carrying?
Lobster class
Uh-huh.
and lobster
Dungeness
tail.
crab
This
and
one?
lobster tail. Yes. Let's go.
You ready?
Go ahead. All right.
I did it. I
Okay.
did it. One more.
All right. Let's go. You want to go cook this right now? You mean Daddy gonna cook it?
You and me.
No, Daddy's gonna cook it for you.
Yeah, no.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, you gotta put it in your little backpack, okay? In the cooler. Let's go.
I don't have a cooler.
You gotta go in your spot. Come on.
That again.
Uh-huh. You're gonna put this one.
And the smallest, the whole mat.
Okay. Now just gotta keep
Hey,
it cool
stuck,
for.
stuck.
Oh no, it's stuck.
Please get that.
Yeah. It was...
Alright.
Oh my goodness. You got chocolate on it. Alright, either way, it's okay. Eternity later, let's do it. Just kidding. There you go. Happy? Alright, put it in your seatbelt. What are y'all doing to the baby? Oh my goodness.
The Apple Store. Cool. Like apples, oranges, avocados.
Alright, there you go.
This is the Apple Store. Electronics.
You ready? Look, we gotta fill up this. I think this one should be big enough for all that, right? No? It should be big enough.
They need a grill.
Alright, we just gotta fill it up with water.
They need
Hot
a
water.
grill.
Well, you know what?
A grill.
We're not gonna grill it, we're gonna boil it. That's why we're gonna do it outside. Cause look, it's 90 degrees here and we're not gonna warm up the house because we don't want it to be super hot now, do we? No. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go cook outside and in the meantime, we're gonna fill this up with about just right here or so with some hot water. We're gonna boil it outside like I was saying because it's super hot. And mommy is over there with baby. What y'all doing over there? You're kissing your pretty baby. Hello, Azula. Sappy, you happy with baby? Yeah. You guys are so cute. Yeah, but Ariel is super ready. Look at him. He's already taken out the crab. He's already taken out his... It's called Dungeness crab. First time I ever heard of them. I'm not sure how it's going to taste like, but I'm pretty sure it's going to taste amazing because this is like $22 a pound, so... Pretty good. Also, we got some lobster claws, right, Ariel? And we got some lobster tail. It's super delicious, super good. And now, what are we gonna put in? All right, we're gonna put Cajun in it.
Place.
All right, so now we're gonna get this water to boil out here because we want this to be boiling once the lobster's in here.
I'm cooking today.
Yeah, and Ariel's gonna be the one cooking today. He's gonna be Chef Ariel. Alright, now that we got our fire going, Ariel, hold this. I'm not gonna let you put that on the fire. Alright. Now we just wait for it to boil, right? And then we're gonna be able to put the crab in there and your lobster and your lobster tail, okay?
It's gonna be a one,
So yummy?
till the cat clock.
Yeah, no. Look at Rocky over there playing. Oh, yeah, that's the name of the cat now. We just killed a horsefly. Ew. Yeah. Oh my goodness, she's already boiling. No, I'm just kidding. Rocky, what are you doing?
Rocky.
You over there fighting with a freaking plushie. Look at Azula. She's over there eating, I think. I think she's eating. Alright. Well, in the meantime, while that's heating up, Ariel, we wait. Look, come here. It's not ready yet. It's been barely 5 minutes we've been waiting, right?
5 minutes, that's it?
Yeah. No, we've been waiting 5 minutes.
5 minutes, that's it.
Ah, fine. Maybe another 5 minutes.
No, I'll do it.
Here, here you go. Hold this. No, I want to do it. All right, guys. Don't forget to add some salt because it is an animal that comes from the sea. So we're going to put some Himalayan salt in here. All right, you need better recording skills, buddy. Here we go, right there. Right there. Okay. Ooh, looking yummy, Ariel.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to boil. Look at that. Look at that.
Boiling already?
Almost. I want it to bubble. Actually, I see it right there. Okay. Okay, Ariel, grab your lobster and your crab. Let's go. Look.
I'll put it in.
There we go. Yeah.
I'll do the crab. The crab is easy.
Crab's easy?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Still gotta be careful, eh?
We have to wash our
Pero
hands.
se le va a caer.
Alright, I got you. Look, so this is called a Dungeness crab, which I've never seen before. They look pretty cool. It looks like it's hairy here, but look, I don't know if it is hairy. What in the world? But look at these claws. Look how sharp they are. Wow, they look like shark teeth.
Yeah.
Alright, in you go. Alright, last but not least. What do you mean? You love this. This is the lobster. Right. Now, the good thing about Harris Teeter is that it's always fresh there. I'll put it. I got you. And, all right, we're going to put some. You know what? You can do this.
I'll cook it.
You can put as much as you want. Here.
I can put much.
As much as you want. Need some help?
No, I need help.
Well, yeah, it looks like you do. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Good job, Ariel.
I had to put it in 1800 minutes.
There you go. Put some real. I had like this much. Put a bunch in there. All right. Either way, you're gonna love it, Ariel. I know you love seafood, and you know you always ask me for lobster. So this is why I got you this, okay? Because I love you. You're my baby. All right. Don't touch this because it's hot, okay? You guys don't play around here, okay? In the meantime, you guys want to jump in the pool?
Yeah.
Yes?
Or the trampoline.
Or the trampoline? While you wait?
Trampoline.
Okay, go to the trampoline. Go ahead.
Because the trampoline is easier and they can eat faster. Alright?
Okay.
No.
What's wrong with Ariel?
Hey, what's wrong?
She pooted.
I know.
Yeah, trying to take care of her. Alright, you go and take care of her while I'll stay here. Look at Ariel.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Come on.
I want it.
You want to do it? Here you go.
I want to do it.
Goodness.
I'm sweaty.
I know.
Touch me.
Oh, you are sweaty, baby. Don't do that to the phone.
It's gonna be good.
It's about to rain pretty bad. You know what? Huh. I have no idea what she said. Alright, let's check. And oh yeah, it's starting to boil really good. So I put this on top of there because I wanted that boil steam effect, and which is currently doing. And look at it, Ariel. Looking good, right?
Yeah.
It smells really good, doesn't it? Boy, I know you love it.
You see that dungeon? That is so good.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, let's check.
1, 2,
3.
It's supposed to happen? Just kidding. Ah. You smell it?
Yeah.
It smells delicious, doesn't it?
Hey, that's a different bird crab.
Watch out, baby.
A gingerbread
Here we go.
crab.
First one I'm grabbing. Lobster. Look at that. Lobster.
You're getting look at your arm.
Look,
I'm getting
look,
the
this
glove.
crab hand is bigger than your hand. Look at that, Neri. Big chungus. Look at this one.
That one's bigger.
Yeah, that one's bigger. Oh, okay. Never mind.
That's a little bigger.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's the Dungeness
That was
crab.
the first one. That was the second
They're
one.
pretty
That
big.
was the third one, and that's the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whew.
that's big. These are our claws.
I know. Now look, Neri, watch this, baby. Look how big this claw is
Oh,
compared to Ariel's hand.
I peel my hand.
Look,
Ariel?
look. I think.
Get it closer.
Oh. Look,
It is big.
it's humongous. Look at my finger next to it. And
Go.
Alright, let's go.
There's hand.
Alright, let's go, baby.
There's hand.
Alright, let's go inside. It smells.
I'm not sure.
Ariel, I think this is mine.
No, wait.
I'm just kidding. It's too fast.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow, Ariel.
Hi guys, I take it out.
How do you think, Ariel?
Good.
Here,
This one tastes sweet.
Yeah.
This is sweet.
Look at that. Piece of meat. Oh my god.
The butter tastes
Here you go.
better.
Here, careful, it's not okay. Yummy? Thanks, Sappy likes it too. It's really good. Give me some of the Sappy. How's the lobster tail?
Go wash your hands again.
Take a good bite out of it. And this one.